Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. I'll start things off by saying Happy New Year. Hopefully 2021 is better than 2020 was, a bit less hectic. Today's going to be another drone video, so not much talking or anything, but I thought I'd just introduce it to say, because of how the world is at the minute, I'm trying to limit myself to how much I'm going out, and with a drone I can obviously just pretty much from the car park fly around, get some footage and then come back with like limited contact with other people. I will try and go out and do some walking videos again soon. But for now I just say I'll stick to the drone videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed them anyway. And yeah, I picked St Agnes just because it's a really good place to record. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, I've done quite a lot of videos around that area. There's a pub there called the Driftwood Spa, which I love going to. Myself and Connor, all on videos. If you want to go back and check them out, we walked from Porthtowan to St Agnes, and then I think it was Perranporth to St Agnes, I think is the other side. Both really good walks, very like sort of cliffs and heights and all that kind of thing all along it. A shame at the time I didn't have the drone, but it's really good to have the drone now and fly around St Agnes and see it all from a new angle. So I'm looking forward to revisiting other places. I've done a video on Portreath, I've also done a video on Porthtowan, but I'll probably upload this one first, so you might not have seen that one yet. And of course St Agnes, so my plan is to revisit places I've already been to with the drone and get like that extra point of view. But also continue going on walks to new areas that I haven't been to yet, and obviously take the drone along for a better experience. So yeah, Happy New Year once again, hopefully it's a good one, and yeah, thanks for watching.